Cross-sections and elevations are defined with the same option in the ArCADia Architecture program. The Insert cross-section is available in the Systems tab. In the Project Manager window, in the top right corner, under the plus icon, we also have the Insert cross-section option available. We can choose this option from anywhere. With 2 points, we indicate the cut line. Next, the direction in which the cross-section will be done, and to finish, the place to. The cross-section is by default inactive. In order to move onto it, it is enough to change the tab in the Project Manager to Cross-section. We introduce the elevations in the same way, but we indicate the cutting line in front of the building. When switching to the elevation or sections, remember not to delete items that we do not fully fit. For example, here is a chimney connector, and removing any of the lines will remove the chimney and not the connecting line. We will remove it from all views. On the cross-section, we mainly introduce dimensions, descriptions, and we can add simple elements like lines. Modifications are only available through the properties of the object. The ArCADia Architecture program has the capacity to create a step cross-section. You can get such a cross-section after marking the existing cross-section and choosing the Insert the Step of cross-section. Next, we indicate the place where the step should be and, of course, whether it's to be on the left or on the right. You can have any number of steps in a cross-section.